Welcome back to the Jamaican Taste Buds Kitchen. My name is Aisha, and today, guys, I have a very delicious drink for you. Today, guys, I'll be making my very own special Reggae Rum Eggnog. So, guys, eggnog is a favorite of almost everyone across the world. Guys, especially at holiday times, you can either add your spice rum, your brandy, your rum, any type of liquor you want to your eggnog. So guys, if you want to know how I put the flavor of love into this recipe, just stay tuned for more. These are the ingredients for my Reggae Rum Eggnog. So guys, over here I have eggs that I'll be separating from my eggnog. I got my thermometer. I got some granulated sugar. I got some cinnamon powder, some nutmeg, some ginger powder. I have some granulated sugar. I have a mixture of almond spice with vanilla. I have half a cup of heavy cream, 3 cups of whole milk, a pinch of salt, and the last but not least, some Wray and Nephew rum. Okay guys, the eggnog. So festive. I love it. So now that my eggnog is finished, it's time for the taste test. Okay. When you love sugar. Okay guys, so this is the taste test for my Reggae Rum Eggnog. Guys, this is a perfect drink for any occasion, especially around the holidays time. Guys, so now I have my Reggae Rum Eggnog with some whipped cream on top, my cinnamon stick right here, and a little bit of cinnamon powder with my candy cane. It's time for the taste test with the rum. Guys, I'm telling you, I wish I could like literally let you taste this, but you're sharing the experience with me through me. Guys, I'm telling you, this is the bomb. Yes, my Reggae Rum Eggnog. Guys, try the recipe. I'm telling you, don't miss out on this recipe. Try it and let me know what it tastes like if you like it, guys. And please leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video today. My Reggae Rum, hey, Reggae Rum, Reggae Rum, hey. Guys, have a happy holidays and stay safe with the Reggae Rum